Alright, good morning everybody. I'm Z James, your host of this channel. This is my 1993 300ZX convertible parts car. And this, the channel you're watching, is Z32 Workshop. So thanks for tuning in. Last episode, we took off the rubber molding through here. And today we're going to drill out these screws right there to get them out. There's ones they rusted up. I can't get them, so I'm going to try some Dremel work, extractor bits, and get them out. And then we'll also work on, I'm going to open up the other side of the gas tank just to take a look at that. And then I'll probably do some cleaning here because I got to get these parts up so I can get this door off and all that fun fashion. The next video I might just do a walk around on my car, my actual one, while I'll be doing some other type of work. So, alright, let's get at the project. Alright everybody, I got myself an extractor bit here. What I'm going to do is drill into this and hopefully I can get this thing to come on out. Alright, let's see if I can put you guys on time lapse here, just so I get you started. Alright, after you probably saw my time-lapse video, I ended up having to snap that head off. It's right there. Had to drill it, do anything I can to get rid of it. So sometimes I just don't want to give up. What that should do is allow this side to move around. It's got a little bit of gunk right there. But now I'm going to do the other side over there. So time-lapse video, warp. Alright everyone, here we'll get you set up a little better. Sorry about this. Okay, so what we got going on here is I ended up having to drill out the heads of the screws, unfortunately. They didn't want to come, super rusty. I don't care about the structure, so I can do that. You may want to take a lot longer, a little slower time, but I just use, Dremel drill bit, pop the head off. And let's take a look at that for you guys. As you can see here, that one's gone. That guy I already tipped up. So this guy should, in theory, if we do it, hang on, let's get it this way. In theory, should go, see daisy, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ta-da! And that is a bunch to go. But as you can see, this is that tray. Hang on. Let's see what you guys can see here. I'm hanging on to this because I got a feeling that this is hard to come by. Now, granted, this one looks warped. It came out that way. I mean, I didn't even pry on it that hard. But you can see they've got a rigid glue on the back side, in each corner. And there she go. Actually, this isn't too bad. I probably caught this rust if you were gonna hang on to this ahead of time. So what I am now gonna do is do this channel on the doors, because there's one, I got a couple of them here I need to get. So let me get you guys set up and hopefully I can do that. Let me shut that garage door so you guys can see better. I didn't realize it was being a problem for you. Sorry about that, everybody. That's how you're supposed to extract one. It finally came out. That hole. Not much of a head left. But that's how you're supposed to do it. Now I'm going to try getting this guy. So back to the time lapse. Hopefully you guys can see this. I really don't want this to be an annoyance for you guys. And gals, mind you. There you go, everybody. Hopefully you can see me halfway decently. Here's the head. This is actually how you're supposed to really extract them, getting a little better at it. I think shocking them with the screwdriver is helping the most. But since that's out, this whole panel could come right on out. Ta-da! Let's take a look at it a little closer for you guys. There you go. Actually, that metal's in great shape. This could stand to be cleaned, but you can see they got goop all the way back around it for weather sealant. That's this side. Time to do the other side. I will probably time lapse that whole side over there and not take it out since I've shown you what's going on. So hang on. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for today's episode. Hopefully I'll edit music back to those time lapses, because I really don't think you guys need to sit there and me try to figure out how to get those off. My best answer was, the ones I could get, you shock them with a hammer, with a screwdriver hammer, shock them, cut a groove in them, use a normal screwdriver. That seemed to work the best. I didn't think about shocking them to break that rust loose. But that will get us all, let's see if I can show it to you, all three of those, which are the trays. I'm assuming the ones for the A pillars are probably the same with the 2+0s. I know they're obviously the same in convertibles, but I'm assuming they're the same because that's the case, because that's the way that's formed. But going all the way across the top of the windshield, that's got to be only for the convertibles, I would highly imagine, because the way the rubber gaskets would work for everything else. So if you have a convertible, that's how you get rid of those. I don't say get rid of, but how you take them off, and how you would have to get them off to take look at any of the rust that's in that area. So once again, if you've watched to the end of this video, thank you so much. If you have any comments, let me know. I'm usually fairly active. Please like and subscribe. I'm Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And I would say wrench every day because that's another guy's thing, but realistically, you need to be out in your garage if you want a project to keep moving. Not everyone has a full weekend, so if you do it every hour, every day, or once an hour, every day, you know what? 7 days a week, that's 7 hours, that's a full day. Just gotta make time for it. So, all right, I'll see you all tomorrow.